Kilo fait en mode chocolat, fine, fine, oh, baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate.
Curry chicken cooking nicely in its own juices. Didn't add any water. I'm only adding water because my kids love potatoes in their curry chicken, and you need water to cook the potatoes and have gravy. But yeah, look at it. It's looking good. Okay, looking good. Now I'm going to add my potatoes. So in the same bowl that I seasoned the meat in, I just add some water and plain washed and cut up potatoes. Just let it cook until the potatoes are tender. I didn't taste my pot because I know it's good. You know, once you start cooking regularly, you'll know your measurements. But I didn't add any salt because the seasoning has salt in it. You can always add salt if something needs a little salt to pick me up. But if you put too much salt in it, once it's salt, it's salt. So, only thing that's probably needed is a little salt to taste, nothing else. And I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet pepper right on top for flavor. I already have a little piece in it. But yeah. Curry chicken is done, guys. Check the potato. See? Okay. And the gravy. As the potato sits, the gravy will thicken up. But look at it. Okay. Check out that pepper. Put this pepper over there. But yeah. Perfect. Planting.